Hey, welcome back to Code Meet Arts, the channel where code becomes art. Today we are building this blooming rose from scratch using Python's turtle module and one simple math equation. By the end, you'll be able to build it yourself and even customize the colors, size, and petal count. This shape comes from a rose curve, a classic polar equation, r equals a times sine of n theta. As we sweep an angle around a full circle, this formula tells us how far from the center to draw a point. The number we choose for n decides how many petals we get. It sounds abstract, but once we plot it, it turns into exactly what you are seeing. Let's get into the code. We import turtle, math, and random. Turtle handles the drawing, math gives us the trig functions, and random adds natural color variation to each layer. We set up a black background so the reds and pinks really pop, and we turn off the screen tracer so Python doesn't redraw after every single dot. This lets the whole rose render almost instantly instead of crawling across the screen. Next, we hide the turtle icon since we only care about the dots it leaves behind, and set its speed to maximum. Our color palette mixes red, deep pink, hot pink, magenta, orange, and crimson, giving the rose a warm, layered feel instead of one flat color. Now the real magic, the main loop. We draw 18 layers, each one a full rotation of petals, with a random color and a slightly different size than the layer before. For every layer, we sweep through all 360 degrees, converting each into radians. This next line is the actual rose equation. R gives us the distance from center at this angle using sine of 5 times theta, and that 5 is what gives us 5 petals. Change that number, and the whole shape changes. We convert that distance and angle into x and y coordinates using cosine and sine. Each layer scales up just slightly bigger than the last. That small detail is what gives the rose its layered, almost three-dimensional bloom. And when we run this is what happens. One last touch, every real rose has detail at its center, so we scatter small yellow dots at the origin to simulate pollen. It's tiny, but it's what pulls the whole design together. And there it is. A complete glowing rose, built from one equation and about 30 lines of Python. This is exactly why I love this kind of coding. It's not just functional, it's genuinely beautiful. Math and art aren't opposites, they are just two ways of describing the same idea. If you want to try this yourself, the full code is linked below. Try swapping that 5 for a 7 or a 3 and see how the petal count changes completely. If you enjoyed this, subscribe. Code Meet Arts posts new Python art projects regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.